Vlog, and by morning it's like 11 a.m. so that's kind of pushing it on the morning, but I have been editing yesterday's Vlogmas all morning. But I didn't go to sleep last night until like almost 2 a.m. because I took a super long nap and then was up all night. Now I have to pay the consequences, and today's Vlogmas, well, yesterday's Vlogmas is going to be up a little bit later because it's not going to be up by noon, and I was trying to upload all of them at noon. But not a big deal because I am starving, and my mom and I are going to make French toast, which I'm very excited about because I'm hungry and I love French toast. Also, vote down in the comments down below, pancakes, French toast, or waffles. Just definitely French toast. Waffles are number 2, pancakes are the worst, in my opinion. Oh, totally didn't even say, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Now we're gonna do the haul portion of it. So I'm gonna start off with Ulta. So the first thing she got for me was this conditioner. I've never used it before, but I did want to try something new, and I think they have like a new ethnic hair section or something. But I'm excited to try this out. It's called the Pattern for Conditioner for Curly Hair. And then my favorite eyeliner I'm out of, and it's the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I tried to grab me 2 of those. And then my foundation and concealer, and they were actually in my last empties video of like products I've used up. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. But I'm just really hoping that I told her the right color. So I don't even know if I have the right color foundation, and I know I don't have the right color concealer, so that's gonna be fun to do this later. And that was it for Ulta. Moving on. She stopped in Michael's, and I love coffee mugs. I collect coffee mugs. And there's this one. It says Cup of Christmas Cheer. Oh, and in the bottom it says Making Spirits Bright. That's cute. Oh, and this big green candle. I love candles. I actually don't have them burning right now. I should burn one because I had like 8 candles for fall and didn't go through a single one. And then we've also got this mug. It says Christmas Cheer Loading. And it's a little like loading bar, which I thought was cute. She also grabbed some hot glue gun and some glue sticks. I have a Christmas ornament that broke the other day, so we're gonna try to fix that. And then she got me these 2 little planners. There's one for goals and one for that says Inspire. And it's basically like this little planner where you can just fill it out, and I love all things planning, notebooks, all of those kinds of things. So I'm trying to try these out, and they were like on clearance or something for super cheap. Oh, and she went to Ross and got some hand towels. I think I have like 2 hand towels that my friend gave me that's down in the kitchen that I've had down there for like almost a year at this point. And they have bleach stains and all that kind of stuff. As well as another bath towel set, because I don't have any of like the medium hand towels. I have one, but I always take it to the gym with me, so now I'll have these ones. Oh, and one more Michael's bag. There's these cute little Christmas trees. They look like the white ones that I put up, but they're gold. And I feel like this will look a lot better with the contrast of the wall instead of having white on off-white. So like having these as like the back and then put the white ones in front would be really pretty. And lastly, she got us matching winter coats. Mine, which one is mine? This one's hers. It has the fuzzy hood on the inside, and then mine has a regular hood and an extra zipper on the inside. And this is so hard to show, but like I don't have a coat, she doesn't have a coat. And Ross is super inexpensive. These are both Calvin Klein coats, and they're only like $75, so pretty good deal. And that is it for the haul of random stuff that my mom picked up yesterday. So I finally finished editing Vlogmas Day 3. That took forever. I didn't get up until like 2 o'clock, but it's fine. I ended up cleaning up my room. I had a couple more presents to wrap, and I got to open a present early because it came in the mail, and I got the Theragun, and I'm so excited. It is so cool. I just changed it to like this little head, and I will definitely leave you guys like a full review because I'm going to be trying out all the different settings, everything. There's like apparently an app for it, which I'm really excited about. And basically like you just turn it on and you double click it, and then you turn up the speed. That's insane. And then you can turn it down. It feels so weird. So I won't bore you guys with that, but I just helped my mom pack up her car because she's leaving tomorrow, sadly. She ended up staying longer because when my car was in the shop, I was driving her car to and from work. So she ended up getting to stay like an extra week, which was nice. Or actually like 4 days or something like that. But I am currently catching up on Vlogmas videos that I need to watch. And we're going to have a Christmas movie marathon. So it is like 5 p.m. and we just ordered pizza. I'm super excited to eat it. I am so hungry. But we're watching the show called The Holiday Movies That Made Us. This show is actually like really good. It's basically the first episode is about Elf, and it just shows like the making of Elf and how it became a movie that like we all know and most people love. So like it's been really interesting. We're gonna start watching. We're gonna finish this episode and then start watching Christmas movies and eat pizza and then go to sleep. And so I figured I'd just end this vlog here so I can edit it in the morning right when I wake up. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I don't even know if I got a lot of footage, but also I do feel like my past couple of videos have been really long, so I hope that you guys don't mind that this one maybe a little shorter. And make sure to give this video a like if you liked it, and comment down below letting me know. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.